Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cleaning. It is a Tuesday. It's one of my days off this week. And like most days off, I spend it cleaning. So we're gonna be doing the dishes, Grayson's laundry, my laundry, cleaning the kitchen, vacuuming the house, a couple of other things here and there. Let's go ahead and get started.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I'm enough. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them.
Hey guys, so I am sitting here editing this video, and unfortunately most of the footage of me cleaning the kitchen was not able to be used because it was so blurry. My camera just had a really hard time focusing in on me, and so like I said, the footage is really blurry and I couldn't use it. Hopefully there's plenty of cleaning in this video to satisfy you. And then also I wanted to point out I am wearing different leggings in this part versus the beginning. That's just because while I was waiting for the laundry to be done, I did film a couple of YouTube videos, and one of those was a leggings try on, which you will see shortly if it's not already out. Anyway, thanks guys.
If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? So I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your hope shows even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. Oh yeah.
Okay, it is 12 o'clock on the dot. Mommy needs a break. I think I've accomplished quite a lot this morning, so I'm gonna take a little breather, but that is gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, as always, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. I will see you in the next one. Bye.